Degustation. This time I have a beer from Drygate Brewing Company from Glasgow, Scotland. Disco Forklift Truck Mango Pale Ale. Pretty nice name. Pretty nice artwork. My daughter likes, such a thing, little bit crazy. Okay. What they say? Disco Mango Pale Ale, alcohol 5.1%. Ingredients: water, malted barley, hops, mango, yeast. Not so much. But I know they used for hops, they used Cascade, Azacca and Ekuanot. Right, and mango juice. Not pulp, just juice. Okay, so let's open this disco can and enjoy. Okay. Nice. Right, how it looks? Well, it looks very pale. A little bit hazy. Small head, small and medium bubbles. Yeah, mango, pineapple. Lots of citrusy aromas, from the different fruits. A little bit of orange, mandarin, some grapefruit, maybe lime even. Well, lime is not so exotic, but it's the same family. Well, pleasant. Not very, standing out aroma, but very pleasant. Let's have a try. Medium to high body, full, nice creaminess. Actually, it's quite soft. Little bit of prickly carbonation, but it just disappears very quickly. Nice grapefruity bitterness. Mango, definitely mango. Some piney notes, pineapple, and a little bit of orange. Yeah, you know what? It just tastes quite juicy. But it's quite soft. Pretty nice. There's no harsh bitterness. It's maybe not like extravagant juiciness as well. Mango juice, it's quite soft, right? So it's like all around the mango flavor actually. Well, nice. Nice, settled, with low carbonation. You know what? Quite interesting beer. but very soft, gentle, and maybe that's why it's so drinkable. You know what? If it would not be 5.1, I would say it's a session beer. Well, nice. Mango Fandango. Nice little soft mango pale ale. You know, nothing outstanding, but pretty nice. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed this beer. It's pretty nice. Please like it, please subscribe to my channel, and when you've done it already, hit the bell button. It will remind you about every new video on the channel, so you will be up to date. Cheers. Snatch.